We're doing a weekend in Paris, and we have no plans. The plan is to find an adventure. Yo, where are we? All right, we're at the train station. We're taking the train from London to Paris. What's gonna happen? What do you think is gonna happen?
Who could say?
Who could say? Ivy's.
That's why I identified with your hair.
Okay,
And
it's
then
hiding
because
right now.
today you have it like this, I
Yeah.
was thinking, no, it's not him.
But you
And
recognize
then,
me.
Yeah. Bye
A
bye.
little wine, a little falafel. Cheers, dog.
2 hours later.
We're in France. Here we are. Bienvenue. Nous sommes ici. Nous sommes tellement ici. Oui. Nous sommes dehors. Les chiens. Bon sang chien. Yeah. Arrivé en Paris. Oh! Le grand hôtel. Alright, we're in line for steak frites. The best in Paris. This is the word. This is what the internet says.
We'll see.
We're gonna find out. It's almost closing. We're gonna hope we get in. Non, c'est pas moi.
Tiens, c'est pas lui.
Non, c'est pas
On
moi.
s'est trompé. C'est lui qui m'a dit que c'était toi.
Non, c'est pas moi.
Mais comme toi,
je connais.
Mais comme toi, t'es pas lui. C'est donc que lui, c'est pas toi.
Non, c'est pas moi.
Mais si toi, tu serais lui.
Wow. Better than you thought? Very good. 11 sur 10. Oh, round 2. Oh, let's see. Can't leave until we finish this bottle of wine.
Magnifique.
Magnifique.
Incroyable.
Incroyable. Et maintenant, if I say it all in French, it's gonna be impossible to edit.
Juste ajouter les mots ici.
Oui, d'accord. Ajoutez les mots ici.
Ajouter
Les mots ici.
ici.
We found a pub called the Canadian Embassy Pub, and we obviously have to go. We think that in Europe, this is the equivalent of an Irish bar in America. You go to like an Irish bar, you're like, oh, cute. We'll find out. If there's like hockey sticks on the walls and they're serving Molson Canadian, then we are correct. Look at this. Yo, they got pictures of Drake. We ordered Canadian Club and ginger ale, and this is very yellow.
This does not look like ginger ale, and it has a lemon.
Is ginger ale lemonade? It's kind of gingery. It's very lemony though too. I guess it was ginger beer, not ginger ale.
So we met some friends
Worked at WestJet.
from Calgary.
She was nice.
And that's the story.
And then we met people from Delta. We met a whole flight crew. We're looking for a nightclub now. It's about 12:30, 1 in the morning, and it's starting to rain.
Yeah, what do I want to drink?
Future looks like
wow. So we're at the French Victorian. Everybody's 22 years old.
like wow. Yeah, future looks like wow. Oh wow. It's like
It was interesting. We Googled how old you had to be to enter a nightclub in Paris, and it was 18. So, demographic a little younger. But we were impressed. They did know a lot of songs from like 10 years ago. We're gonna get some snacks. Hunter's waiting for McDonald's.
Cheese, not fromage.
Pas où notre McDonald's vient.
Les mots
Ici.
ici.
I can't speak French. First order of business, of course, is coffee and croissants. They're gonna hand us our croissants to this window. It's gonna be amazing. Ah, merci. Oh, c'est chaud. We can't wait for croissants. Get into it.
Incroyable.
Oh wow, that was really good actually. $1.50, great. Definitely a top croissant compared to the crappy croissants in LA. Le Hollywood. How do you say home? Pas maison. Hey, magnifique. Ugh. Did it. Had a fantastic experience at Colione. Got some lovely new scents. It's gonna smell sweet after this Paris trip. What a gorgeous day to walk around Paris. Beautiful. Lovely. Spectacular. Definitely getting more wet as time goes on. Not getting less wet. Oh, there's the Louvre. Look at that. I mean, we should definitely have umbrellas here. Look at those umbrellas. And two idiots. Two idiots EC. We came to the Louvre, we saw it. It's right there. What an experience. He's over it. It's ready.
go eat.
We gotta go eat.
Indoors.
We gotta go get some onion soup. Not French onion soup, some normal onion soup.
Here it's just onions.
It's just onion soup here. See you later, pyramid. Overflowing. There's a 1-to-1 correlation between rain volume and misery. It is increasing at a linear state. Is this it? Damn it.
We're not wet enough.
We're not wet enough for us to eat there yet. I want to feel like this soup has been in my lap.
I feel like I am soup.
Yeah, we're walking for 4 miles in Paris in the rain. They have Ubers, right? Okay, we made it. And there's about 100 people in line that all have umbrellas. They're all waiting for French onion soup. I love this for us so much. All over some French onion soup, huh? Got a little wet. A traditional Parisian brunch. Brunch lunch. Rain food. Sausage, mashed potatoes. Heading out on the town one more time. Well, that concludes night 2. Yeah, we got the morning coffees. We're in France. Look, it's Eiffel Tower. The last few minutes. What a wonderful trip, huh?
Started.
Trip hasn't even started. We're going to Italy next. Smash it, subscribe, la subscription, poussez la cloche et on va voir la prochaine fois. Au revoir.